our friend and advocate also, G. Krishna Prasad Garu, has been appointed as Director of the Law College and also appointed as our Member of Society. Now onwards, he will take all the obligations and responsibilities of the college in all aspects. Now Krishna Prasad Garu is planning to conduct seminars, symposiums and workshops on various subjects. Please attend all the seminars at least. Even old students also I request to attend the programs. And if you feel any problems regarding academic or any other administrative problems, you can approach Krishna Prasad Garu. Huh? Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thank you, madam. Please carry on, sir.
Right. ఇది ఆపేసాడు. ఇది కాదు రెండోది, తండ్రి నా తల్లి ఎలా బాగుండాలనుకుంటాము అదేవిధంగా నాతో పాటు నేను చదువుకున్న నా ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ కూడా పైకి రావాలి అని ఆల్వేజ్ కోరుకోవాలి. దానికి మీ దోహదం ఏమిటి అంటే బేసికల్గా ఈరోజు మీరు ఎలాగైతే రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యారో ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు మీ డైరెక్టర్ గారిని ఇది ఇంకేం అనుకోకండి. అది ఏంటంటే ఈ కమ్యూనికేషన్లో మనకి నేను దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నప్పుడు కొంచెం అది అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది అలాగా. సో కనుక మీరు అందరూ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా మీకు వీలైనంత వరకు ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయినా కూడా జరిగింది అంటే అది మీకోసం పెడుతున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళు సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. మేము ప్రోగ్రామ్ పెట్టాము అంటే మొత్తం నా స్టూడెంట్స్ అంతా బెనిఫిట్ పొందారు. ఇప్పుడు అందుకే నేను భోజనం చేస్తున్నప్పుడు వేణుగోపాలరావు గారు ఒక మంచి సలహా ఇచ్చారు. శ్రీనివాస్, నువ్వు చెప్తున్నప్పుడు అంత మంచిగా జరుగుతుంది, కానీ ఇంకా స్లో అయితే మిగతా 2.5 గంటల్లో నువ్వు ఎంత కవర్ చేయగలుగుతావు కొంచెం ట్రై చేయని. ఇమీడియట్గా నేను రియలైజ్ అయ్యాను, దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. ఎందుకంటే మేము టీచర్స్కి ఎలా ఉంటామంటే ఒకసారి లోపలికి దిగిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి ఎమోషన్ అవని ఆవేశం అవని అది ఒకసారి ఇంకా ఇండియత్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంటాం. వాటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మనం అనుకున్న టార్గెట్ రీచ్ అవ్వం. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఈ రోజు తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మీకు ఎంత వేగంగా దొరకను బేసికల్గా. కనుక ఆ విధంగా నేను అన్నది అంటే అటువంటి విధమైనటువంటి అడ్వైజర్స్ మీకు ఉన్నప్పుడు మీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీరందరూ కూడా బెనిఫిట్ పొందండి, ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్కి కూడా అభివృద్ధి చెందడానికి మీ దోహదం చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. రైట్. Got this much money suddenly, at least for that we will say that those people who are having black money, right? Just I am telling you clearly, they will say that also they will take a loan from the bank. Sir, I have taken a loan. That's why first they will enter agreement to sell. Clear, my dear friends? That is an agreement to sell importance. So what is a sale? What is an agreement to sell? What I told you, my dear friends, sale is completion of a transaction. Transfer completed. Today onwards I am the owner, right? Agreement to sell is, it is an agreement in future whenever I pay the remaining balance he will prepare a sale deed. That is an agreement to sell. Enough. Let us see now. Contract for sale of a immovable property is a contract that sale of such property shall takes place on terms settled between party. Meaning is what? Whenever you pay the balance money, that fellow will prepare a sale deed. That is the meaning. Shall takes place. Sale shall takes place. Because today agreement to sell we are entering on terms settled between the parties. Whenever you pay the remaining balance, we will prepare a sale deed. Till that time, this is an agreement to sell. That is the meaning. Or sometimes what happened, just one example and I will go for that. We are 3 brothers. I want to sell only my share. We are 3 brothers. Only I want to sell my share. One of you willing to purchase. Then you came to me, Rao sir, Srinivas Rao sir, I am ready to purchase your share. But we have not partitioned. We all 3 brothers, we have not partitioned. But I need urgently money. I called one of my student, close student. Baba, I want urgently money, re Baba. I want to sell my share. Okay, Rao sir, agreement to sell you prepare. I will enter agreement to sell by mentioning that my share of immovable property I will sell to you after partition takes place. That partition will take place within so and so period. Mention also something. And you pay the remaining balance. So you are giving now 20 lakhs. Then another 6 months time I will give you for payment of remaining balance. In between we will complete partition along with my 3 brothers. My share I will sell you. This is the one type of takes place on terms settled between the parties. This is an agreement to sell. Most of us in our families, we will enter, most of us, except very few people, directly full amount they will pay, prepare a sale deed. Right, this is the meaning. What are the essentials? Simple. There is an agreement between you and me that sale takes place in future. Tomorrow or after, within 6 months, we will prepare a sale deed. It does not create any interest or charge. You are not having any right. I am the still owner. I have not sold you. Just agreement to sell. You are not a owner of the property. You don't have any interest. Just you paid advance to me, just that much only. It does not require registered, except, I told you, under section 53A. Before lunch, I explained you. In part to performance only, you need this. Otherwise, agreement to sell, no need to register. What is the use of the contract for sale? When it does not create an interest or charge, already I told you, just I created like that. See, purchaser can sue for specific performance. Yes, I will file a case for specific performance. Your Honor, tell him to prepare a sale deed in my favor. Specific performance under Specific Relief Act. Please remember, being a law student, you have to know that. Civil practicing advocates has to compulsorily know it and thoroughly they have to read Specific Relief Act. Civil advocates, I am telling you, those who are interested to practice, civil cases, Specific Relief Act is one of the most important law, my dear friends. Please, right. Contract for sale is a relevant defense under provisions of 53A. You already know very well. That is the only importance of this, because that fellow cannot evict me. I am already entered in a contract for sale and I am in possession. Now, within 2 minutes, total ownership transferred, only an agreement, the sale takes place in future. Difference between sale and agreement to sell. Passing of absolute title, tomorrow onwards you are the owner, that fellow does not have any right, just agreement to sell I gave. Creates a jus in rem, means once that fellow became a owner, entire world, no one can touch me, I am the owner, the person who purchased. The person who purchased, he has a jus in rem, against the whole world he has a right, no one can encroach. If anybody encroach, he can file a case against him. I have a right against the whole world. What is the just in personam? Agreement to sell. Any one of you entered in agreement. You have only one right against me only. What is that? If Srinivas Rao not ready to sell to you, you can file a case against me only for specific performance of contract. Only that much right you have. Against person, not against the whole world, because you are not an owner. If you are an owner, against the whole world you have a right. But you are not an owner. That is the meaning of that. Registration necessary, not necessary except under section 53A, which have seen. Friends, please listen, final year students' point of view mostly, but even second year students, anyway you are going to final year definitely, first year or second year. What is this topic now we are entering is sale agreement to sell we completed. How to write a sale deed, how to write an agreement to sell, how to write a mortgage deed, lease deed, leave and license. Any deed, document, conveyance deed. We are discussing conveyance deed. Conveyance means transfer. You know very well. From Chappadandi or from Mukarampura or something from Jyoti Nagar, how you are coming there, what is the conveyance? My scooters are or my bus are, something you are saying. Here conveyance means transfer of a right in property. That is a conveyance. Sale, ownership, lease, enjoyment. You enjoy every month. Every month you pay the rent. Okay. Mortgage. You giving a loan to me as a security, my documents I am giving, mortgage. Conveyance, I am conveying a right over my property or conveying over title ownership to you. This is a conveyance. Deed of conveyance. That's why drafting of pleadings and conveyance. We are discussing conveyance. How to write a sale deed. How to write a So what I'm telling you now, another 15 to 20 minutes, I will try to complete it first. The drafting of a deed, whether it, whatever it may be, sale deed, lease deed, gift deed, leave and license agreement, something. Basics we are learning, please see. The deeds are agreement to sell. Just we have seen few minutes before, agreement to sell. Agreement to leave and license. This is under Easement Act. I will tell you after some time when I am explaining you lease and leave and license difference. Leave and license, please try to understand. A simple example I will tell you, then I will go for the next point. When you take a room in a hotel for 3 days or 5 days in Panjim, in your Karimnagar, okay, if you have taken a room, leave and license, you are entering in a cinema theater 3 hours to see the movie, leave and license. One more example. My house, your house is, and your land, my land is side by side. Your land, next there is a road. All of you concentrate, please. After lunch, teaching is not easy. I know that. Because what happened, inside material works. Right? And most of them afternoon sleeping habit. Actually, my Krishna Prasad restricted me. If this is not there, I won't allow you to anybody sleep. Meaning is, if I shout, nobody will sleep. But this fellow making more sound than me. I hope some of you understood. Okay, now listen. Please concentrate. So what I want to tell you, leave and license. My land and my neighbors, and one of your side by side. This is the road. Next to that road, if I want to come to my land, I have to come like this. This is the road. Like this, I have to come. I hope you can see. This is vacant land. Nothing is there. I requested my neighbor, Bhai Sahab, I want to construct on my land some building. Raw material, sand, cement, iron. Lorry comes, no? Can you allow to come like this via your land? Because anyway your land is vacant land only. Now you have not done anything. Can you give me permission? 3 months I will complete construction. If you want, I will pay some rent. Means you are allowing me to go via your land to my land. How many understood? Raise your hands, my action. Thank you very much. I am a good actor. Okay, now, so let us come to the point. So that is actual concept. Leave and license. Means that person, my neighbor giving me license. This is one type. Another type, most of the people when they are giving a house for 11 months, leave and license they will give. Lease they don't want to give. The reason is, lease, tenant rights are powerful than leave and license. If you enter a leave and license, easily we can throw him out. Vacate. Lease not that much easy. You cannot easily evict him. That's why most of the owners, they will give their house 11 months leave and license agreement. We will see the difference between those after some time. Okay. So, kinds of deeds. So, like this, these are the deeds. Agreement of sale, agreement to leave and license, deed of sale, deed of gift, deed of mortgage, deed. What is the deed document that we are discussing? How to write. Every deed, 2 parts. Non-operative part, operative part. I will tell you one thing, listen. Sir, if we don't know this, if we will write a document, what will happen? Very simple. Your client will suffer if you are not correctly mentioning important points. Whether you know that whether it is operative part or non-operative part, leave it. At least the important paras you have to write. That is, an advocate has to learn how to write a document. An ordinary fellow who does not have a legal background, sit under the tree near the court, I will write sale deed, he will say. Correct? Near the registrar office. Near the registrar office, they may not have only the proformas inside, they will go on right. Actually, some of them will kill the party's rights. Neither that fellow knows nor this fellow knows. Isn't it? That is the purpose you have to know what is this. See, my dear friends. Non-operative part, operative part. Very simple. Non-operative part, only 4 points. Description of deed. Yes, anything? This deed of, see, very simple. This deed of sale. That is the description. This deed of lease, this deed of gift, that is the description of the deed. Date and place, right? This deed on today, the date 6th November 2021, they are writing. That is the date and place. Compulsorily in your, because when you have sold the property, when you have mortgaged the property, when you have entered a gift deed, which date? Where? Why where? Because tomorrow dispute comes, which court we have to go? Tomorrow there is a dispute. Why where? Where? Because which jurisdiction? Karimnagar or Vemalwada or some other place? We want to know. Warangal? We want to know, because when tomorrow there is a dispute comes, which court we have to go? Cause of action where arose. Cause of action. Your pleadings professor will teach you. That is cause of action. When this cause arose, which place it arose? Why Karimnagar? Why not Warangal? No, sir. In Karimnagar sub-registrar office we entered sale deed, sir. Cause of action arose here, sir. Hence this court is having jurisdiction, your honor, according to civil procedure code. Clear? That is the purpose of date and place. Parties to the deed, seller, buyer. Srinivas Rao, son of Ramakrishna Rao, is so and so, resident of Goa, so and so, and Venugopal Rao, advocate, son of so and resident of Karimnagar. Parties. Recitals, most important. Means there are only 2 points. How Professor, most important, remember all of you. How Professor Rao, owner of the property? Today I want to sell it. How Professor Rao, owner? Professor Rao, originally this property belongs to Professor Srinivas Rao's father. Professor Srinivas Rao's father passed away in so and so year. He has only 2 sons. On partition, Srinivas Rao got this half of the property. That is, on partition he got this property. That is known as narrative recital. Means you are narrating how Srinivas Rao is the owner. Most important. How you are a owner. Otherwise I am ready to sell entire Karimnagar and I can go to Goa. I hope you understood. You understood. Rao sir ate something and he gone mad. Right? So what I am telling you is, please try to understand the point. Narrative recital means how you are a owner. What title you have, or otherwise, Srinivas Rao had a power of attorney from his brother, because brother is the owner of the property. Because brother gave a power of attorney to Srinivas Rao, that's why Srinivas Rao transferring today. My name, so much advertisement I am giving. Okay, so that's why Srinivas Rao selling it today. So why Srinivas Rao is selling? How Srinivas Rao is selling? What is his authority to transfer? That is narrative recital. Last point, introductory recital. Then why Srinivas Rao selling? Yes, because of Srinivas Rao's necessity, because of some health grounds, or because of purchaser approached Srinivas Rao, he is willing to purchase, Srinivas Rao willing to sell it, that's why they sold. Why we are selling, that also you have to write. That is known as introductory recital. So my dear friends, we completed non-operative part. I will show you within 2 minutes each one fastly. Description of a deed, date and place, parties to the deed, recital. Recital means about the how you got the property, why you are selling the property, how you got the property, why you are mortgaging the property, why you are donating the property, why you are giving a lease of the property, something. First one, description. This deed of sale, this deed of lease, heading, starting the word. I will show you within 2 minutes sale deed and agreement to sell also. That is a description of the deed. Every advocate has to know basics, how to draft a deed. Some people will say, sir, in computer nowadays, if you click it, model sale deed will come. Why you are so much sweating? From Goa you came here. I will tell you, computer fellow will pro forma will give. If you write the as it is pro forma, your client will die. Because he wants something, you wrote something. He will tell that, sir, that is not fully my property, my sister also having a right. Model, I am the whole owner of the property. What is this, Re Baba? I am not the whole owner. No, in our computer draft like that only. I cannot change. It is a very important draft. Seniors are following, you don't know that. Sir, I am not full honor, sir. But in this full honor only there. Sir, that is not the, you are advocate, change karo, sir, change, sir. I hope you understood. Remember that. Everything computer and drafts we are taking and writing in a apply. Then you can write. Use it, adjust it, change it, amend it according to your client. Please. Sometimes what happen, I will tell you. This is okay. Sometimes we will write like this. Why? I will tell you. Listen. I gave an agreement. Listen, yes, listen. I want to donate my house. I want to donate my house to my son with a condition. One of your friend, our Krishna Prasad, approached me. Rao sir, I want to take lease of your house. Lease, all of you listen carefully. He want to lease of my house for 5 years. But I want to donate my house to my son. I am pakka gadbad fellow. What I did? I hereby donating my property to my son, subject to a condition. My son has to give lease agreement, or I am giving, listen like this, provided I am giving the lease of this property to Krishna Prasad for 5 years, but my son is the owner from tomorrow onwards. See, try to, means how much gadabad I did. Gift deed one side, lease deed one side. Then what is this, Baba? Lease, gift lease, I don't know what is that. Better write this deed. How many understood? Raise your hands. Thank you. Place and date, simple. This deed of sale is made at Panjim or maybe Karimnagar, because I am from Panjim, on 6th day of November 2021. Right? That is the heading. Date and place. Right? Generally, remember all of you, mostly you try to do like this. 6th day of November 2021. Otherwise, what will happen? Listen. People may change 16, 26. How many understood? That is the reason we have to write. That is the reason we have to write like this. Some people may have a doubt. Why they will change, sir? Limitation period. How many understood limitation period? Raise your hands. Yes. Because to file a case, maybe 3 years limitation period. If the date changed to 26th, limitation period may go. Because our advocates are innocent. They may do it. Some of you understood, including me. Right? That's why to avoid manipulation, write that 6th day of November. Advocates has to be careful when you are writing a draft. Parties? Yes, simple. Mostly when you are writing, Srinivas Rao, son of Ramakrishna Rao, lecturer or associate professor, residing at Panaji, right? So and so, like that you write. Full address properly write when you are writing your sale deed, mortgage deed, lease deed, gift deed, whatever it may be. Krishna Prasad, your food is more, right? Okay, just I'm joking. No, thank you. Come on, my dear. So, this is the way. Once you write on top, next onwards, next paras, vendor, purchaser, vendor, purchaser. No need to write Srinivas Rao, no. Only first para only. Next all paras, vendor, purchaser, mortgagor, mortgagee, seller, lessor, lessee, licensor, licensee. That only follow. Licensee agreed, licensor agreed, like that. Srinivas Rao agreed, father of Ramakrishna Rao agreed, Naka. No need. Clear? That is the meaning. Which I told you, recitals. You know very well, fastly I am completing. It makes out a preliminary ground introduction. Why you are preparing a document? They constitute brief history. I will tell you one important point. It shall contain the history of property. All of you listen. How many of you heard adverse possession? Raise your hands. Adverse possession. Okay. Like this I will ask, you will give answer. 12 years onwards, if I am in the possession, I will become a owner of the property. How many heard this? Raise your hands. Wow, this you heard. Only word adverse possession you never heard. That only. How many of you know Srinivas Rao means nobody, sir? Me only. How many of you know? Everybody knows, sir. Same thing. I will tell you a very interesting topic. Please listen carefully. One of the Supreme Court advocate made a statement recently. Webinar, nowadays webinars are going on. Legal theft of an immovable property. Any one of you heard this? Legal theft of an immovable property, adverse possession. I will tell you, listen all of you. Because if I go on teaching that area, I have to be 1 week here only. Listen. One small suggestion I will tell you, all of you listen. Your YouTubes, don't see